The Google Pixel 8 Pro, launched in October 2023, continues to be one of the most capable and thoughtfully designed Android flagships to date. With its blend of premium design, AI-powered features, and outstanding camera system, the Pixel 8 Pro remains a top pick for users who value photography, smart software, and long-term reliability. The device features a 6.7-inch Super Actual LTPO OLED display with a 2992 by 1344 resolution and an adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. With peak brightness reaching up to 2,400 nits, the screen delivers vivid colors and outstanding visibility, even in direct sunlight. The panel's sharpness and smoothness make it one of the most visually impressive displays in its class. The Pixel 8 Pro exudes a refined, premium aesthetic with its matte glass back, polished aluminum frame, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Weighing around 213 grams, it offers a sturdy yet comfortable feel in the hand. It comes in elegant color options such as bay, porcelain, and obsidian, highlighting Google's modern minimalist design language. The Pixel 8 Pro runs on Google's Tensor G3 processor, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage. The Tensor G3 excels at machine learning and AI-driven tasks, enabling features like Best Take, Audio Magic Eraser, and Magic Editor that redefine how users interact with photos and videos. The device also benefits from 7 years of Android OS and security updates, ensuring unmatched software longevity. The camera system is where the Pixel Pro truly shines. It houses a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom. The 10.5-megapixel front camera handles selfies and video calls with ease. Advanced AI tools like Night Sight and Real Tone further enhance the camera experience. Battery performance is solid, featuring a 5,050 mAh cell that easily lasts a full day of typical use. The phone supports 30-watt wired fast charging, 23-watt wireless charging, and battery share for accessories. In conclusion, up to now, the Google Pixel 8 Pro remains an outstanding smartphone, offering one of the most complete Android experiences available. Its blend of AI intelligence, long-term software support, premium build, and stellar camera performance makes the Google Pixel 8 Pro a top recommendation.